Today, in the time of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are significant for the development of economies. Eventually, everything reduces to a sealed and profoundly secure system that could be useful to store and re-establish all information on the blockchain-empowered stage, where exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, and all taking out the job of go-betweens, a consequence of hard and perfect work. The outline of Torrential Slide, a seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell scientist Emin Gunsayer in September 2020, predominantly putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations essentially to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. But this sort of vigorous blockchain innovation, the Torrential Slide network will go about as a critical power supporter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment, as an impetus to empower fast-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment biological system. Torrential Slide will carry extremist change to fund. The Torrential Slide biological system is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and apparatuses with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain designers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing savvy contracts and other cutting-edge innovations. A vital contrast between Torrential Slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration system. Torrential Slide, the innate potential. Without a doubt, the Torrential Slide blockchain has extraordinary potential and will more often than not be the most alluring digital money, basically for its local token, Avax, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling 1 trillion every second. No big surprise, the always dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the Torrential Slide digital currency, arising as a very unique and dynamic power. Avax will be the pick and selection of dealers, particularly on the grounds that it has endured for the long haul. The badge of Avax capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential Slide, the people group and organizations. The principal point of the Torrential Slide local area isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. It approved the force of Torrential Slide agreement and light engineering that offers more even-handed investment rather than costly equipment, being recorded on famous computerized cash trades like Coinbase and Binance. Avax offers its merchants a protected and reliable stage, empowering lesser expenses and a plenty of computerized resources for single out from. Torrential Slide stage has additionally marked a settlement with various environments like Chainlink, Bilera, and so on, taking its forceful innovative drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind organizations is to construct a helpful local area around the world, subsequently making an equivalent, maintainable, and decentralized world. Aside from these discussions, Avax has made further improvements in its organization and its acknowledgement all over the planet. On June 10, 2022, Japan's top crypto trade OKCoin recorded Avax. Brokers and financial backers are good to go for the recipe erase end of the week. Aside from this, the Torrential Slide establishment has additionally sent off Multiverse. This new motivating force program will uphold new biological systems, NFTs, DeFi, as well as institutional use cases. Adding to this rundown, Kalau has additionally held hands with Avax to construct items for NFT merchants and makers. This will assist them with encountering NFTs in new frictionless and easy ways. The ongoing cost of a VAX is $20.71, with a market capitalization of $6,518,352,606. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the AVAX token is $401,827,255, with a flowing stockpile of 314,803,359 AVAX on the lookout. AVAX digital currency is hugely dependent on decentralized applications remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advances in the current decentralized blockchain networks. A blast time for Torrential Slide drives the value conjecture to remain substantial on this record before long. Made by Avalanche, this coin has endured for the long haul, so it is essential to realize that Torrential Slide's cost rise is sure before long. In any case, carry out your own analysis to measure your gamble resilience. Torrential Slide Value Forecast 2023. In view of our Torrential Slide cost expectation for the approaching year, the AVAX coin might have least and most extreme costs of $18 and $45 separately. The adjustment of the cost is supposed to be around 30.95%, with a typical cost of $31.25. Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2024. As per Torrential Slide cost expectation, it is assessed that the coin exchange between the scope of $42 to $52, where $42 is the base exchanging cost and $52 is the greatest cost, simultaneously. There are a couple of suppositions that the AVAX coin might have a typical cost of $47. Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2025. The Torrential Slide coin is supposed to have least and most extreme costs of around $55 and $75 separately, according to our AVAX Cost Expectation 2025. While the typical cost may be $65 with a rate change of around 300%. Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2026. According to our AVAX Cost Expectation, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $87 with a base and most extreme cost of $77 and $97 individually. For the year 2026, the instability of the Torrential Slide cost is supposed to be very less, according to our cost expectation. Torrential Slide Crypto Value Forecast 2027. In view of the AVAX cost expectation, our specialists propose that the Torrential Slide digital currency might exchange a scope of $91 and $101 for 2027, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the most extreme. While the typical exchanging cost of Torrential Slide might be $96. Torrential Slide Crypto Forecast 2028. Our AVAX cost estimate for the year 2028 recommends that the coin's typical cost might be $126, while the base and most extreme costs might be around $111 and $141 separately. Simultaneously, the Torrential Slide Specialized Examination uncovers that the rate change might be 27.02%. Torrential Slide Coin Value Expectation 2029. From our AVAX cost expectation, we can reason that the coin's cost might exchange at a normal of $152.50 for the year 2029, while the most reduced and greatest cost of the AVAX token for the year might be $145 and $160 individually. AVAX Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, our Torrential Slide cost conjecture shows that the possible high of the coin might be $185, with an expected low of $162 in the crypto market. The itemized Torrential Slide cost investigation uncovers the typical worth to be somewhere near $173. Torrential Slide Value Expectation. Market Opinions. The market feelings oversee cryptographic forms of money. Thus, AVAX is no special case, in light of verifiable information and specialized examination. There are many hypotheses going ahead for the Torrential Slide coin. All specialists have different Torrential Slide expectations to make out and out. In light of a VAX cost gauge, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The cost visualization for long-term end is $2.86. They accept that your ongoing speculation might be depreciated from now on. Toward the start of 2023, the Torrential Slide cost was around $10.90. The ongoing cost of a VAX is $20.78, which shows that the cost fell has been intense. The Guaj Torrential Slide cost toward the finish of 2025 is $31.96, and the year-to-year change will be around plus 55%. What is the eventual fate of Torrential Slide coins? As per Torrential Slide cost forecasts, the fate of this coin is exceptionally splendid. By 2030, we anticipate that Torrential Slide should have crossed the $150 mark. In any case,